What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, Zebec breaking out against the market. Once again, you cannot write this stuff, guys. It's absolutely hilarious how inverse correlated Zebec seems to be from the rest of the market. It's crazy. It's crazy. Watch tomorrow, everything's going to be green. Zebec will be red. It's insane. You'll love to see it, guys. Let's get into it. We got to look at the Zebec chart. We're going to look at what Powell had to say today and what the impacts from the market just might be. All right, so far, Jasmine down 4.5 on the day, 12.7 on the week, up 17.7 on the month, but down 49.5 on the year. We are down 2 spots in rank to 101 with a $744 million market cap, 40 million in volume. Swiftcoin up almost 0.5% on the day, down 1 on the week, up 7 on the month, and 202 on the year. Up 4 spots in rank to 328. A $115 million market cap, 1.44 million in volume. XCN down 4.3 on the day, 6.3 on the week, up 3.7 on the month, and 910 on the year. We are down 3 spots in rank to 125, a $528 million market cap, 50 million in volume. And of course, the big Kubasa, Zebec, up 9.2% on the day, up 48.5% on the week, 65% on the month, and 385% on the year. We are up 11 spots in rank to 128, $487 million market cap, 42 million in volume. Across the board, guys, there are some fantastic DCA opportunities. Hopefully, you guys are taking full advantage of it. Not financial advice, but you got to do what you got to do, man. You want to succeed, you know what to do. Bitcoin, during the FOMC speech today from Powell, Bitcoin dropped all the way down to $115,810. And at the time, I told you guys we wanted to get back up over this white line at $117,260. And we did just that. We look at the buying pressure, guys. Every single time we drop below that white line, we wick all the way back up, right? That tells you that the bulls are defending that level like nobody's business, right? They're like, oh, you want to drop down below the level? Ain't no way, right? But the bears, on the flip side, every time we hit 120, they're like, hey, guess what? You thought you were breaking 120? Not today, Turbo. Not today. So we continue to go sideways. And again, what matters is where we close these daily candles, guys. So from the time I'm recording this video, we've got just over an hour left until the daily close. So we want to close above this white line. So we'll see what happens there. But I'm expecting nothing burger. We'll probably close right around where we are now. Powell sprinkled a little bit of a dumpville on us, and now we are back to par. So otherwise, guys, we go sideways, right? We go sideways. You know what? I want to look over at the Bitcoin dominance here and the total 2 with you guys. Let's have a look at that. See what's going on with the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so here we go. Boom. Check it out. So we are in what's known as a bear pennant, or you could call it bear flag, one or the other. It's more of a bear pennant, though. On Bitcoin dominance, as you can see, these will generally break to the downside from the point of this beginning. When we collapse, not if, we are going to collapse very bigly, guys. I would suspect somewhere between 56 and 56.5% to the downside on the Bitcoin dominance, to the downside outside of this the bear pennant. Sorry. So very bullish very bearish structure, guys, which is fantastic for altcoins, right? Now, common misconception if you're new to crypto, however, with Bitcoin dominance going to be taking this big hit and falling to the downside, that does not mean that Bitcoin's price is going to go to the downside, okay? A lot of people misunderstand what Bitcoin dominance is. Bitcoin dominance does not mean that all the money is in Bitcoin and you know, in a loose sense, I suppose, but essentially what the dominance is. So when Bitcoin dominance crashes and the total two, which is the altcoin market cap, starts to go parabolic, Bitcoin's price is still rising at the same time. And all the dominance means is that the altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin in terms of price appreciation. Does that make sense? I hope so. So just because Bitcoin's prices or Bitcoin dominance is going down, that does not mean Bitcoin's price is going to go down. Don't get it twisted. Okay, that's not what that means. So let's go look at the total two. See what's going on there. All right, total two. Let's check it out. Yeah, we're gonna see. It's funny. Look at this structure, guys. I just showed you the Bitcoin dominance in a bear pennant, and if we look at completely exactly the opposite, it's like I just flipped the Bitcoin dominance chart upside down. Right? It's essentially what just happened. We are ping-ponging right now between support and resistance. We're inside a bull pennant, getting ready to snap to the upside here. So watch this. Watch this, guys. So check out, this is the total two. This is the altcoin market cap. Now watch this. This is funny. It's like I just did this and flipped it upside down. Watch. Boom. It's like I just flipped it and the bull flag's upside down. Absolutely fantastic. You love to see that, guys. That is the most bullish thing I can possibly show you for your altcoin bags getting ready to explode. Okay. it's like I just did that. Boom. It's hilarious, right? So the Bitcoin dominance in a bear pennant, the total two market cap for the altcoins, boom, upside down in a bull pennant, right? Getting ready to break to the upside. I cannot show you anything more bullish than that if you are waiting for your altcoins to explode. It's so bullish that it's hilarious. And I'm watching people be bearish and stuff like that right now. I can't even. I'm telling you, I can't even, guys. All right, let's see what else is going on out there right now. Quick shout out to the channel sponsor, as always, guys. Decent Biometric wallet, not your keys, not your coins, my friends. Simply use our link down in the description. Use the coupon code Future20 off, and you will not only get $20 off your Decent wallet, but you will also get a free Zebec AIRDROP to your Decent wallet. This offer ends August 5th. Be there or be square. Get in where you fit in, Jack Stacked and Fanny Pack. Let's keep this ball rolling, my friends. Zebec wallet holders. Nothing's going to stop this from climbing, guys. Look at the wallet holders. Continues to go up. 77.8 this morning. It's actually up at 78,000 holders now of Zebec. Absolutely fantastic. I will get to the Zebec chart. Uno momento, por favor. But first, check this out. Ched Fair Powell says we have made no decisions on September. So sprinkled us with a little bit of that bearishness, but I do have some good news in regards to the Fed. For the first time in 30 years, two Fed governors dissent on the policy decision. So two people on the Fed voted against a pause, and they wanted a rate cut. This is bullish going into September, my friends. The Fed is no longer unanimous. Internal pressure is building, and so is rate cut tension. September is primed for a monster move, in my opinion, my friends. Let's go look over at Zebec's chart really quick. So as you can see, Zebec, we broke out all the way up to 20591, almost 206. We are outside the bull pennant right now on Zebec. If we can manage to close above 20550, we could see the next leg up as early as tonight. However, it's also possible we come right back down inside this bull pennant. So be prepared for that reality as well. But I showed you guys the altcoin market cap, the Bitcoin dominance. What else can I say outside of that, my friends? If you are not bullish right now, you better check your pulse. I highly recommend you get in where you fit in. Make sure your bags are packed for final liftoff. Put your trays in an upright position. Put your bags under your seat. We are getting ready to go, baby. All right. And again, not financial advice, but I would be ready, guys. I would be ready. Also, if you're new to crypto, guys, as I always say, listen, only 10% of people in crypto actually make true life-changing wealth for themselves. My friends, if someone came over to you right now, sat down and said, listen, if you buy me a cup of coffee every day, I will teach you how to be successful and build life-changing wealth in this crypto space. Would you buy that person a cup of coffee? You'd be crazy not to, right? Well, guess what? I'm sitting down with you right now and I'm telling you, if you buy me a cup of coffee every day, I will teach you how to succeed in this space. I have been around for multiple bull runs, my friends. I can see the writing on the wall. Don't get caught up with these moon boys and these insane price targets. Learn how to front run the market. Learn how to get out of the market with your profits intact so that you have money to pay off your mortgage, to pay off your car loan, to put dry powder into the next cycle, to really make generational wealth for yourself. We've helped 43 people just this year hit 7-figure portfolios, and many, many more have hit high 6 figures, my friends. And we're looking to keep that streak alive. Join the 10% club today. The link is down in the description. Thousands of other members waiting for you. If you have questions, we're all there to help. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.